Hi guys, my name is Allie Seibert. I am co-producer and Hypeman for Arcave. Nice to meet you guys. I really believe in the people involved in this project, and the fact that they're letting me on with their little caravan of brilliance is just an honor, and it's fantastic. My favorite thing about Arcave is the story and about how rich and exciting the adventure is, and the suspense. Okay, favorite memory. I can't think of a specific one. Like, it's just all been a blast. It's Raining Men is my favorite 80s song. I'm pretty sure that's 80s, I have no idea. I just love the song, It's Raining Men. I will sing it for you. My name is Allie Seibert. Check out thearcave.com. We've got some cool stuff on there. And have a good one.